Today we're making my grandma's curry. I marinated some chicken tenders with some fish sauce, salt, sugar, and curry powder, and let that marinate overnight. And now it's time to just sear them for a little bit, 1 to 2 minutes each side. Next, I minced together some onion, like a quarter of an onion, some garlic, about maybe 2-3 cloves, and 2 shallots. Diced them up and brought them to the stove. Now I'm gonna add some carrots and potatoes that I've cut up into little cubes. Now we're adding some coconut cream. My grandma swears by this brand called Savoy. So adding 2 cans of these and refilling the cans with some warm water to get all the residual. My grandma swears by this and it tastes so good. It's called Patak's Hot Curry Spice Paste and it has 3 chilies, so it's a little hot. But honestly, it's not. It depends on how much you add. We're gonna add about a tablespoon. Now all the chicken has been added. We're just gonna let it come to a quick boil and then we're gonna put it on low, top it off, and let it cook for about 45 minutes or so. This is the final product. So I would normally eat it with a baguette, but I'm just serving it over some jasmine rice. Look at my lovely sweet potatoes. So I've been loving sweet potatoes these past 2 weeks and I've just been making them as my morning ritual in my rice cooker. It's been so easy. You just pop it in, steam it for about 45-50 minutes and you're good to go. It goes great with coffee too, by the way.
Are these the pants in question?
These are one of the pants in question. Ooh. I tend to make a lot of pants. I'm more of a pants guy. I do make other stuff.
Really?
Yeah, I think, you know the guy Wisdom?
Well, I don't know if this is a flattering angle or not. But I just got off of work this morning and I'm planning to enjoy this beautiful day now that the fires have kind of cleared in my area and the air quality is a lot better. I'm gonna go try coffee shops with my friend and we're just gonna explore town today and just enjoy the nice weather. Gosh, it is so beautiful outside today. I feel so happy and I'm so glad I woke up early to see the sunlight. It's so beautiful.
It's good. But I feel like the burntness, like it tastes really good, like with that.
Yeah, there's like, I like the burntness. Secure.
Yum, 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 yum.
Where we suffer. Cheers! I have no idea. Are you gonna help us put the puzzle away? It is Jose's birthday today, so I want to get the house as tidy as possible for him so he can come back home to a nice clean environment and he feels relaxed because we're pretty tired from celebrating all weekend, so we kind of just want to chill and catch up on our shows tonight. And doing the things that I don't like to do first, which is mopping. I hate mopping, so let's get it over with. It's actually so funny because the chores that I don't like to do, normally Jose does. And the chores that he doesn't like to do, I normally do, so it works out. Also, I don't know what is the best way to clean dust off of Legos, but if anyone knows, please comment down below so I can clean our Lego pieces. Floors feel so clean right now. I'm so glad I mopped and vacuumed the floors. But now I'm hungry. It's about noontime, so I'm gonna make a sandwich. So I'm gonna make a quick sandwich. We bought some lunch meat yesterday and some cheese and some veggies. So we're gonna start with some thin slices of toast. Just gonna toast these for a little bit. So maybe like a few months ago, we went to Costco and we got to try these pickles. They're called Grillo Pickle Spheres. And they're the classic ones, and they were so good. I feel like we finished these pickles in like 2-3 days, and it was like twice the size of this one. So we saw this at the Amazon Fresh Market and got some. And then I made a combo of some honey mustard, Kewpie mayo, and sriracha. So this will be the spread of my Zemi. Also got some leftover tomato that I used yesterday, some pepper jack cheese, of course, something with a kick, and honey turkey breast. So we're gonna add that and some cabbage or lettuce. I don't know the difference. Perfect. Voila. Since I've been busy, it's time to play catch up on my favorite shows. And so Jose and I have been switching between Traitors, season 3, RuPaul's Drag Race, season 17, Real Housewives of Salt Lake City, Beverly Hills, and New York. And we finished EXO Kitty, which we loved, and Sex Lives of College Girls. So now that I finished the majority of things, I'm gonna move on to Traitors, but actually, I'll watch some YouTube and I'll save Traitors for when he gets home. That's perfect.
Yeah.
So, this is so good. With this cold weather, I don't know about you guys, but my lips have been so dry. Lips, skin, everything I need to moisturize, especially my hands too. Lips and hands, I would say. But it's so annoying. I'm using the DHC lip cream. I love this. I keep going back to this. It's our 10-year anniversary and we're going out to celebrate tonight. I just wanted to do a quick fit check. So we got this nice black turtleneck because it's freezing outside. This lovely button up top and some black pants. Just giving a moment for the top. And my crossbody. Going to be wearing, of course, my tabbies. Let's go! Oh my god, man, I don't like it.
This is a jam. And I'll start with this one here. This is the truffle cultured butter with buckwheat honey. And as things are getting a little decadent, jump into this. This is the whipped bone marrow. Thank you.
day 2 of our anniversary adventure, and we're gonna go wheel throwing. I haven't done pottery since like a summer, 2 summers ago, and it was really fun. I really enjoyed it. So this should be really exciting. And then it's Jose's first time, so it's gonna be our anniversary activity. Didn't want to do my hair, so I put on a beret. I'm just like squishing it to the side. I have this really old sweater that I love. I think I've had it since high school. Stole it from my sister. And wore these Gen Z cargo pants. So super casual. We're gonna go get boba first, and then time for pottery. What'd you get?
I'm shy, babes.
What'd you get?
I got the Oreo creme brulee milk.
And I got a milk tea, half sugar, no ice because it's cold and I'm cold. Did you see these?